guys, this is me live cooking breakfast at 6:30 in the morning. A couple of this is actually good. Oh my goodness. A couple of you guys asked me that I sound Estic and because I'm making my I'm making breakfast for everybody I can. So I'm more sausage to do. I'm gonna put making a sausage before. Sausage number 1. I have 500 more to go. Yes, April. Guys, if you were here in my house right now, it smells so good. Guys, this is the journey of a 13-year-old making breakfast. Yeah, it is too early. Oh, guys, Happy New Year! It's almost New Year's Eve, and New Year's is coming around the corner very soon. So this is my new morning routine. Gabby, if you're watching this, good morning, people. Okay, I'm cold. Guys, if you guys are wondering, yeah, I am wearing a sweater because it's cold in this house. I'm watching that main one. Alright, guys, I use this is meat. This is my second sausage. I'm making like I don't know what I'll probably cook all of them before. And you guys wonder why I have a pan on. I do more when it's gonna smoke more long. Sausage number 2. Guys, I'm going to eat all these sausages. These sausages are turning out pretty amazing. But I see you guys when I'm cooking the eggs afterwards. Okay, I did not end this. I don't want more. So this is my breakfast. Like and subscribe. Please, bye for now.